No mercy. No retreat. Only those who rule and those who fall. High noon on the Serengeti Plains, the sun casts short shadows across golden grasslands stretching to the horizon. The temperature grazes 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat shimmers above cracked earth, and most creatures have sought shade. A pride of lionesses lies motionless in grass tall enough to reach a person's waist. They are not sleeping. The amber eyes of the lead female track a migrating herd of wildebeest. The lead lioness signals with a dip of her head so subtle it is nearly imperceptible. A flanking group peels away to either side. The rest hold still. They are the blockade. The wildebeest press forward, oblivious to the trap already drawn around them. The ideal prey for lions, the old, the young, the injured, the weakest links in the herd. A wildebeest calf, under 6 months old, weighing roughly 80 pounds, drifts behind the column. It lacks the experience to sense danger. 40 feet, 30 feet, 20 feet. The lead lioness explodes from the grass. A lion's top speed reaches 35 miles per hour, slower than a wildebeest over distance. But within the first 50 feet, no prey reacts in time. The chase lasts fewer than 8 seconds. The lead lioness misses, but the flanking female strikes from the blind spot, claws nearly 2 inches long, pinning the calf's shoulder. The calf collapses. Red dust erupts into the midday glare. A kill. Yet lions succeed only about 25% of the time. 3 of every 4 hunts end in failure. Every meal demands a toll. Spent energy, risk of injury, and sometimes death itself. Wildebeest, the longest distance land migrants among large mammals, are far from easy quarry. A full-grown adult weighs up to 500 pounds, armed with curved horns capable of inflicting severe wounds on any attacker. Yet that very strength makes them the prime target. A single adult wildebeest provides enough food for an entire pride for 2 days. No side claims permanent victory. This is nature's paradox, a fragile equilibrium between life and death, where every failure of the hunter becomes a triumph for the hunted. But the arms race on the African savannah is merely one chapter in a far longer story. On land, weapons are muscle, speed, fang, and claw. Beneath the ocean, the rules change entirely. The Coral Triangle, spanning seas from Indonesia through the Philippines to Papua New Guinea, harbors more than 75% of all coral species on Earth. This is the ocean's greatest evolutionary laboratory. And among these luminous reefs, a different arms race has unfolded, waged not with muscle or speed, but with venom, camouflage, and biological traps.